What's up, sis? It's your girl Give You Face, and I am back yet again with another slay. So today we're going to be doing this beautiful glowy, as you can see. This is about skin and just soft glam and just a really cute look. I paired it with this outfit here, so you will see that in another video, the outfits. I got something coming for y'all. If you guys want to see that, I will link everything once I get it posted. Anyway, this is the look today. I just decided to do a pretty cute soft glam for you guys since I always do crazy looks. This look took about maybe like 30 minutes, so I mean, super easy, super fun. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. That way you know the next time I drop a new one, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for the support, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, so today we are gonna be trying, we're gonna attempt, because y'all know how good I am with soft glams. Not saying that I'm bad, I just don't like to do them. But we're on a time crunch today anyway. So I'm gonna be going in, I'm gonna use the Juvia's Place palettes today. So I think I'm gonna go in with, first of all, I'm gonna go in with the Saharan 2 palette, right? And then I'm gonna go in with this color in the corner to start out with. Transition color, like in the middle color. And we'll just see how this turns out, because I don't even, you know, I don't even know what I want to do with this. So that other brush is just a little bit too fluffy. And y'all, it's not gonna be a cut crease, okay? It's not. We're gonna try to make it not a cut crease. So this color right here in the middle, right? I'm just gonna like put that all over the lid. And then I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna do all of my blending last kind of, and then I'm gonna go in with this brown color. I'm trying to stick to one palette instead of like bouncing from palette to palette, if that makes sense. Then I kind of want to take that brown in both corners and kind of trap that like light gold color in. So before I get into the other eye, I thought that maybe I would just take the remainder that's on this brush and kind of just blow it out and just kind of bring it up, blend it out. Those big circles. I didn't dip anything back into the palette at all. I just used what was here and just brought everything up in circular motion. So before I get into the other eye, I thought that maybe I would just take the remainder that's on this brush and kind of just blow it out and just kind of bring it up, blend it out. Those big circles. I didn't dip anything back into the palette at all. I just used what was here and just brought everything up in circular motions. And then I'm just gonna take that darker color and do the same thing out of the palette in the corner and just kind of pack everything on. Make sure everything is blended together. Bring everything up, basically. And these blend beautifully. Like, the Juvia's Place, like if y'all haven't used Juvia's Place, like they blend amazing. So I'm kind of losing that middle color, so I'm just gonna bring that back a little bit. And just pop. Okay, so once everything is blended, I'm gonna take, there's no like color for me that I like in this palette that I want to put in there, so I'm going to jump over to the Warrior palette, and then I'm going to take this color right here. So I'm just going to go in with like this Dome Shadow Brush by Real Techniques, and I'm just going to kind of go up top. Okay, so now that I got the other side done, like this was literally easy. So I think I'm gonna just go in with some lashes and make it easy today. Like I said, I'm on a time schedule. We're gonna be doing some natural lashes today, so I'm gonna be going in with these Pure Pro Cosmetics lashes, because this is a soft glam. So y'all know this is killing me right now to do a soft glam, but a soft glam is like something that I would do for work, because you know it takes me hours to do those other looks. So I'm doing some little baby lashes. So it's gonna be weird to see. So I just gotta see if they fit. So literally we're gonna just throw on these. They look like that. Let me see. They look like that. I'm just going in with a Fenty mascara. So I'm just gonna go in and cover up that lash band. Let me try to get the mirror closer. A little liner. Okay, so this is what it should look like once you get it done. Super duper easy, let me tell you that, okay? So I'm gonna take this Poreless Primer, Putty Primer by oh, almost forgot who it was by, and it's right in my hand. I'm just gonna cover up my pores, okay? Places where I have pores, and then I'm gonna go in with the Milk Primer everywhere else around that. Just gonna put a little bit on the top of the sponge and then just kind of spread it out. See how easy this look was? Like, we're already like done. Like, this is like a 30-minute look, no joke. All my other looks, sis, it takes so long. So this is like something, like I said, I would do like for work. Don't get me wrong, I do a cut crease for work, but I'd have to wake up earlier. So this is something that, you know, I can get done within a decent amount of time for work. and it's totally like beginner friendly. So unlike my other looks, I don't think those are very much so beginner friendly, but I'm sure y'all will appreciate this. The beginners, I mean. Okay, so I'm going in with a concealer. I'm running out of this one. Where is my other one? I'm just going to do a little contour. I'm going to go in with this. I'm hitting pan. This is my favorite blush, one of my favorite blushes, and it's NYX Terracotta, and I don't think they sell it anymore. Unless it's in another name or packaging. I know they don't have this packaging anymore. Okay, so I'm gonna take this color Tourmaline right here. And give a little glow. So glowy for this look. And then we're gonna like spray ourselves again. So that glow can set. Look at that skin, honey. And then I think I'm just gonna do a brown lip liner and some gloss. No joke. Let's see if this is my brown lip liner. Yes. Well, I got my favorite on mute down here, so I guess we're gonna use that. So I'm gonna, I was so into doing the lip, I forgot to do the under eye. So I'm gonna do that real quick, and I'm just gonna go in with I love that glow. Like, this is the definition of a nice, beautiful, soft glam. So I'm just go in with that dark color that we went in with the palette, and go underneath the eye, because I love doing this just to bring the look out just a little bit more. So you can choose to do eyeliner or not, because I think it looks good without eyeliner too, because it's just like so soft and we're already like freaking glowing to the gods, like woo. And by the way, that was the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit OG, and the color Tourmaline. So that was this one right here. Sis, this was a 30-minute look. Like, nice soft lip. I think I'm dramatic, so I think I'm gonna add a little waterline liner. So I'm just gonna use a brush to pull down. I did it softly. Boom. And your eyes are more standing out, you know. It's still soft, but if you want to keep it how it was, then keep it how it was. But it's nice and glowy. Look at that skin, sis. Woo. So this is the finished look. I went and did my hair and changed my clothes, and yeah, this is my Instagram baddie slash, you know, soft glam. Like, this is so cute, and this is, you know, more for like every day, you know, if you still want to be glam, but you know, you got your little eyelashes, like, you know how I like to wear my 25 millimeters, but this is so perfect. Like, I love it. So yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. Let me know what you want to see. Talk to me in the comments, and you know, just talk and help me reach 2K. We're slowly but surely getting there. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next one.